Hey, it is me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the pooping and farting sound effect from k1d. It's from a video called Oh, baby, you're so cute. Do you wanna hear my speech? Okay, I'll start over. It's from a video called Gacha Fart in Medical Center. That video was uploaded today. The duration of the sound effect is 041 to 105. The cute music will be removed at the beginning, and the lo-fi music will be removed at the end. Oh, baby, you know I like the cute music and the lo-fi music removed. And now I will preview the sound effect. Ready for the preview, baby? Okay, let's go. The pooping and farting sound effect goes like this. See, that's how the pooping and farting sound effect from k1d sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in. Ugh, my stomach. Ouch. Stay right there, baby. Money needs to go to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. Ugh. Oh, I feel so much better. Phew, what a relief. Remember kids, use k1d's pooping and farting sound effect when you need to go number 2. It starts at 041 and ends at 105. Make sure you remove the cute music at the beginning and the lo-fi music at the end.